This is Jeremiah 24 Reacts. Today we will be reviewing Laufey's album, A Matter of Time. She obviously has two classic albums in my opinion. And I'm about to talk about this third one right here. And she just released it last Friday, by the way, so let's just get into it and talk about it. Now, that opener track, Clockwork, starts good with her talking about dating a friend and her knowing it will end, but also being hopeful about it, right? Because obviously going into these relationships, you want to be hopeful about it, but you're a little bit blinded by love, so you're obviously still hoping for the best. But I like that one because it's her talking about having this relationship with a friend of hers as well, though, you know. Forget Me Not is a beautiful song that could easily been put in a golden age of Hollywood film, or any film in general, but especially a golden age of Hollywood film. I mean, a lot of her songs could be placed in the golden age of Hollywood film, or any film in general. It just has this film-like feeling or just atmosphere when it comes together, these tracks, right? Also, A Cautionary Tale is a track about that initial part of being in love and then that fallout, which I enjoy listening to as well. Yeah, it's kind of like that, how would you say, like that honeymoon phase in the beginning of that relationship, and then you start getting to know this person a little bit. Obviously, everything's not going to be smooth sailing from here there all the time, obviously, but you know, it is interesting after that honeymoon phase that what happens after that, like that kind of like the ins and outs of what's going on in the relationship in the middle end of it. Now, in my opinion though, this album is a 10 out of 10 masterpiece. Once again, Laufey gives another classic. Now that's 3 classic LPs. That's 3 masterpieces in my opinion. Another album that I guess you can still say that it's a less more approach. And yeah, there's a lot of good albums that are low. I mean, most of the album is very low key, and it's just like a very chill album too. But there's also some like uplifting tracks that are pretty good to listen to as well. But like the whole album is just from top to bottom, just a classic album, masterpiece, 10 out of 10. Laufey is one of those artists, you know. If she's not a great artist now, one of the greatest of all time, she will be in the future. I guarantee that. But that was my review of Laufey's A Matter of Time. I hope you guys enjoyed it.